Hey everybody, and welcome back to the Calamita playlist. I know, it looks like we've hit a complete restoration wall. I haven't done any sawing, sanding, or structural work in days, and honestly, the thought of picking up a tool right now is exhausting. The reason? 2 words. Thanksgiving tryptophan. It was a marathon of eating followed by a marathon of cleaning, and for about 24 hours we were in a full-blown food coma. But that fog finally lifted and we made a crucial pivot. We pulled out all the Christmas decorations. And yeah, we even snuck a little festive cheer into the old girl herself. I have to be completely honest, this year feels so different. I keep flashing back to where we were exactly 12 months ago. Last year, Calamita was the Grinch that stole Christmas. Our house was an utter mess. Every single nook and cranny, the living room, the spare room, was crammed full of the campers' innards. We had 0 space to even put up a tree. We were so overwhelmed, so embarrassed, and I truly felt like I only had time for the camper and Nexxtleft projects. That's why we bought that emergency tent, the one that was supposed to be our temporary shelter, just so we could carve out enough space for a tiny bit of holiday cheer. We prevailed, we made it work, and it was a lovely Christmas. But that feeling of total domestic chaos, I never want that again. This year is a total turnaround. I feel festive. We have holiday parties coming up, and we've actually invited friends over for dinner. Friends who haven't been in our house in over a year because I was too embarrassed of the mess. And here's the best part. The sign that we've truly reclaimed our space. The house is so free of Calamita clutter that we have room for our latest Nexxtleft project to sit right here in the art room, ready for pickup. Speaking of the art room, I even have enough space to work on a small personal Christmas project, taking the little keychain we bought back from Australia and New Zealand and turning it into our latest Christmas tree ornament. It's a physical reminder of the kind of adventures we're working toward. The truth is, while we haven't made a huge structural progress these last few days, we've made a huge life progress. We found the space, time, and energy to enjoy the season again. Hopefully now that the house is festive and the food coma is gone, we can get back to work on the old girl. And maybe, just maybe by next Christmas, we'll be on the road celebrating the holiday in a very special, fully finished camper. If you want to see all the blood, sweat, and sawdust that went into the camper so far, hit that link in the description. Thank you for watching.
Always an adventure.
Always. That's it for this Calamita update. We're so glad you hung out with us. If you enjoy unique projects like this, you need to explore the rest of our channel. We're not just about flipping this RV. We're all about adventure, creativity, incredible food. We've got videos on our travels all over the world, our deep love for animal conservation and fun DIY projects that cover everything from house flipping to furniture flipping. We even have a bunch of videos showcasing our personal artwork. And for those who love a good theme, you'll find our passion for cooking, party planning, and theming in videos of themed dinners, cake decorating. I even cook with my dad once a month. If you've got a curious brain, our channel is definitely the place for you. Hit the subscribe button, check out the Calamita playlist, and we'll catch you on our next adventure.